Okay, then let us discuss different states of matter. Different states of matter. So, solids, liquids, and gases. So, with a tabular form, I will explain the three states and their properties. Before that, one more announcement. Maybe for you it will be appear as doing so much of overaction. So whatever it is. So for my satisfaction, I have one more YouTube channel which is backup to this channel at Hari Mr. Chemistry Small App 11. Hari Mr. Chemistry Small Dash 11 is the another YouTube channel. So I given this link in my description. So have to see these videos also will be uploaded in the channel, but purely only for chemistry chapters. As I am MSc Chemistry postgraduate, so I like chemistry, I love chemistry. So from school level to intermediate level, so I will try, I will explain, not try, I will explain chemistry chapters from at least from class 8 to class intermediate. So chapters, so also useful to me for my DSC purpose, right? So soon the channel also will be function, but your encouragement as usually required. So subscribe. So still no videos are uploaded. By tomorrow I will upload the videos from these chapters too. So every chemistry chapter will be uploaded in two channels, Hari PS videos and Hari Mr. Chemistry Dash 11 channel also. That is purely chemistry. If it is possible, another chemistry related topics, any related diagrams, any related videos also should be uploaded in that channel. Will be uploaded in that channel. So very useful content I will give. So my dear subscribers, among if you are the parent, so please encourage this channel also. Thank you. Let us discuss about the different states of matter or states of matter. Different states of matter as already we discussed. So solids, liquids and gases. Solids, liquids and gases. Let us discuss properties of solids, liquids and gases. So with a tabular form I will explain the all. What are the properties? Property solids, liquids and gases. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Properties in a tabular form. Easy to understand these properties of each state of matter, solid, liquid and gases. So let us write first of all shape, value, intermolecular space, intermolecular force, intermolecular force of attraction, intermolecular force of attraction, diffusion, compressibility, compressibility. So these are the main properties. We'll explain one by one. So if you know this tabular form with you, it is very easy to understand the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Solids, liquids and gases, maybe both not visible. I will write again here. Shape. Then the second one, value. Then the third one, intermolecular or interparticle space. Then interparticle force of attraction. Then the next one, diffusion, and the next one, compressibility. Right. And the next one is compressibility. So let us discuss these all properties one after one by one. So this tabular form is the very important. Right. Sorry for delay. Next, the first one is the shape. First one is the shape. What about the shape of the solid, liquid and gas? Let us take a solid like a duster. It is also example for matter, because it occupies some space, and it also occupies some space on my hand and palm, on the board, on the floor, on the chair, on the table, on the road, right? Everywhere it occupies some space, and also it has some mass. Observe that. What about the shape? What is the shape? What is the shape here? A cuboid, just like that. It is a cuboid. It is a cuboid. Like for example, take the cell phone pouch. Right? Its shape is cuboid. In my palm, cuboid. On the board, cuboid. On the chair, cuboid. On the table, cuboid. On the floor, cuboid. Right? So on the water, cuboid. Right? In the air, also cuboid. Right? So anything has a fixed shape. That means solids have fixed shape. So solids have fixed Solids have fixed shape. So maybe you have one question or doubt, sir. What will happen if we apply some force? What will happen if we apply some force? Then what will happen? There is a change in the shape, or after a time, then it come back their original state. So exceptions we will discuss. Generally, solids have fixed shape. Then what about the volume? What about the volume? So how much space is occupied here by the duster? By the duster. Then the same space also occupied on my palm, on the chair, on the table, on the floor, outside the classroom, right? On the board, on the window, on head, on body. So everywhere it occupies same amount of space. It occupies same amount of space. So solids have fixed value. Solids have fixed value. So finally we can say that solids are the kind of matter which have fixed shape and value. Fixed shape and value. Right. Then coming to the next one, liquid. What about the liquids? What about the liquids? What is the shape of the liquid? That is the shape of the liquid. So what about the shape of the liquid? Has liquids have same as liquids fixed shape? No, they have different shapes. That shape is depends. That shape is depends on the shape of the container. On the shape of the container. Let us see for visible. I will show you very clearly. Right. Here I will show you different shapes of containers. Different shape of containers. Observe that is in all cases they have the same shape or not. For example, I will show you these two, glass and cup. What is the shape of the liquid or solution in the water, and what is the shape of the liquid in this cup? Both having the same shape? No. Right? We observe clearly they have no same shape. Then similarly compare these two. Right? A liquid in a small cup, then in another one. So all are the liquids only. But these liquids have same shape or not? No, they have no fixed shape. Their shape is depends on. So not fixed. They have no fixed shape. Depends on shape of the container. Shape of the container. If you take the beaker, the liquid get the shape of the beaker. If it is in a cylinder, it get the shape of the cylinder. Then if it is in any bowl or the plate, it get the shape or bowl of the plate. If it is in a small cup, it get the shape of the cup. Right? Then if it is in a test tube, it get the shape of the test tube. Right? If it is in any bottle, an example for liquid has no fixed shape, has no fixed shape. The shape is depends. The shape is depends on shape of the container. Already once again I am showing you these two are the liquids in different containers, so different shapes, and these two are in different shapes. Similarly, these two are in the different shapes. So finally, we have to conclude that liquids have no fixed shape. The shape is depends on the shape of the container. Shape of the container. Then coming to the value. Coming to the value. So liquids have fixed value. Liquids have fixed value because if it is a 1 liter capacity, then we are able to fill 1 liter of liquid or 1 liter of water only. Then if it has capacity 100 ml of liquid only, we are able to fill it. Then similarly, if it is has 10 ml, then 10 ml only we have to fill it. Similarly, right, means we have to fill, means the liquid occupy the space as the value as per the capacity, simply consider, right. So if you take 1 liter water bottle, its value is 1 cc per gram. Right, 1 cc centimeter cube or 1 millimeter cube or meter cube. So it is 1 liter, right? If this 1 liter is transferred to another bottle, what is its value? 1 liter only. 1 liter only. If it is transferred to half liter water bottle, how much? Here the 50 ml and here also 50 ml. So no change in the value. No change in the value. That's why liquids have fixed value. So finally, we can say that liquids have fixed value. Liquids have fixed value, but the shape is depends on the shape of the container. Shape of the container. Liquid shape depends on shape of the container, not depends. Depends on the container, right? Whatever the shape, whatever the size, the same shape of liquid we have to see in the different containers. Then coming to gases. Can we see the gases? Able to see the gases in the atmosphere? Can you say what is the shape of the hydrogen or what is the shape of the oxygen? No. We cannot say. We cannot say the shape. So not fixed. Gases have no fixed shape, right? So if we consider any empty bottle or a balloon or a plastic cover, so it has some gas inside it. What is the shape? We don't know, right? We cannot say how much space, what is the shape of the gases. Similarly, also have no fixed value. Also have no fixed value, right? So because of in this classroom, can we say the value of the gases present in the atmosphere or the air? We cannot say. Even the empty vessel appears as empty, but it has gases. What is the value? We don't know. Similarly, when we burn the burning mastic or burning agarbatti, when we burn the agarbatti or incense stick, the smoke is produced. The gases are produced. But you can say Sorry for interruption. So can we say the shape of the gas? Can we say how much space is occupied by the gases? Right? Generally, we cannot say. So they have no fixed value. So gases have no fixed shape, and value. So this is some properties of matter. So next class we will discuss interparticle space, interparticle force of attraction, diffusion, compressibility. For understanding diffusion and compressibility, we need to understand what is interparticle space and interparticle force of attraction. Then other two more properties. Now only I will explain. Other two more properties are rigidity and fluidity. Rigidity and fluidity. So rigid, they cannot flow, they cannot move themselves. Then fluidity, they can flow or not. Solids cannot flow. Then whereas the liquids can flow, gases can flow. So liquids and the gases have the property fluidity. So solids have rigidity, rigid body. They cannot move itself. So solids have rigid. Then gases and liquids are having the property fluidity, means they can flow. That's why gases and liquids are called fluids. Right? So these are the property. These are the very important properties: rigidity and fluid, shape, volume, space, attraction, diffusion, compressibility remain. So fluid and rigidity also you can understand very easy. That's why I did not explain much about them. So they are able to flow or not. They can move themselves or not. That's all. Solid cannot move themselves. Right? Liquids can flow. Gases can flow. Right? So these are the some properties of three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. So that's all for today. Don't forget like, make a comment, share the channel, subscribe the channel. Once now you look at the other one, Mr. Chemistry -11. It will be soon. The intermediate syllabus will be displayed. If it is possible in the month of June. In the month of June onwards, intermediate syllabus will be explained in those chapters, in those channels. So thank you so much. Signing off.